Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to remove blank pages from Microsoft Word. If you've ever encountered the issue where you're not really sure why there are extra blank pages, or you just have blank pages that you want to delete, this video is for you. Before we jump into that, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, Windows 10, Windows 11, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, guys, so here on the screen, I have an essay that I was working on. And at some point, I noticed that there were all these blank pages, and I just want to be able to remove these, but it's actually not really easily apparent on how to do that. Luckily, it's not too difficult. We're just going to point out a few tools that can help you solve this problem and maybe prevent this issue in the future. The first thing we're going to do here is place our cursor on the last. The first thing we're going to do is place our cursor after the final text. From here, I'm going to hit the delete key. Let's keep hitting that until all the pages are gone. Now this document is exactly how I want it. There's also a tool that's going to help us to identify the formatting behind the pages, which might explain some of the reasoning behind why there are blank pages in the first place. So I just added the blank pages back in. And if I go to the Home tab and click this little button right here, this is the Show/Hide button. It's going to show us hidden formatting symbols. So if we look and we can see on these blank pages here, we have page breaks. Again, that's going to break the text off to the next page, which is why we have these entirely blank pages. This is also going to show us our section breaks. Now I could highlight this and I could hit backspace, or again, I could simply click to the last piece of text and hit the delete key. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about any parts of that process, drop those in the comments below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put those links down below. As our channel grows, we're constantly looking for new video topic ideas to make. So if you have any video topics that you'd like for us to cover, we strongly encourage you to comment those ideas below as well. Lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support our channel. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.